Hi, Chris here. Second video on drawing a hexagonal bolt. So this hexagonal, I'm going to use the rotate command. Picking on rotate, it's after select the object, so I'll select this object and then hit enter. Wants to know a base point to rotate, so I hover over the hex and there's no center point, so it doesn't matter. Let's just pick a point there, and I want to rotate it 90 degrees. So I'll carry on now and draw a line, and you'll see the end point. I'll drag it to the right, say 100 mil. Going to make this longer at the moment. I'm going to use the trim command. If I right hand click on the black, you'll see repeat line comes up. Pick on repeat line, hover over the bottom end point, drag the mouse to the right, type in 100, hit enter, enter to finish. Now I draw a line, and about here, drag the mouse down, pick, hit escape to get out of line. And we know that the head depth is known as K, and we know that K is 0.7 times the diameter, and because it's an M10 bolt, 0.7 times 10 is 7. So if we use the offset command, and the offset distance, if we type in 7 and hit enter, pick on that line, come to the right, pick, hit escape. Now we'll use trim, so pick on trim, right hand click, pick on the lines we want to get rid of. So we want to get rid of those lines, pick and drag, and I'm putting a crossing here and a crossing here, and I might as well do a crossing on these as well. Then hit escape, and I'm going to draw a center of the bolt, so I go to line, hover over this line, pick on the midpoint, drag to the right, and this bolt's going to be a 40 mm bolt in length, so I type in 40, hit enter, enter to finish. So that's the center line of the bolt, and I'm constructing this bolt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to offset, and because it's an M10, out from the center line is 5 mm, so I type in 5, offset 5, enter, select the object to offset, which is this line, and I'm going to offset it on the top to start with, pick on the line to offset, which is the center line, drag down, pick, enter, and I can actually erase that center line now, enter, and if I draw a line from the end point to the end point, hit escape, that's our bolt starting to look like a bolt.